Hi, this is Professor Chance with a brief thought. Recently, we got some news that scientists discovered a particular gas, a gas called phosphine, that they believe is in the atmosphere on the planet Venus. As some of you know, Venus is a planet in our solar system, which is our nearest neighbor, potentially Earth-like in some ways, but certainly not all. Venus has gases, mainly carbon dioxide atmosphere, which doesn't necessarily support life that we understand it. Now, what's significant about this phosphine in the clouds that they discovered is that phosphine is a byproduct of bacterial life. And bacterial life could possibly be floating in the clouds of Venus. And that seems to have the scientific community in a uproar. It always surprises me that we get, perturbed when we hear that potentially life could exist on a planet other than Earth. And I tend to think that that's tied to some of our thinking, even perhaps even in our religious thinking, that one, we are the center of the universe, two, that this is the only planet that God saw to put life onto. So therefore, there cannot be life anywhere in the universe, although there are billions and billions of stars, which could have billions and billions of planets. And these planets could fall into habitable zones, and therefore the probabilistic thought is that there could potentially be trillions of life forms in the universe. However, we have not yet gotten definitive evidence or proof that there are any other living organisms or beings out in the universe besides us. There's a lot of things to think about with that. Why not? Why, after all these years, we've never gotten any evidence? Perhaps they're not there. Perhaps they don't want to connect with us at all. Maybe we're in the backwards part of the galaxy or the universe and nobody even knows we're here. There's a lot of different theories about that, but I believe we're getting closer and closer to discovering what things, what life, what ideas are really out in the universe. I think it's exciting. I think that it's exhilarating, really. And it's something that we just need to open our minds up to the possibilities. Anyway, that's my thought. And if you are interested in talking about it further, you can comment, you can like, subscribe to the YouTube page, and we can have at it. And I'm not somebody who thinks I have all the answers. I'm just giving you the benefits of my knowledge, experience, and reasoning and opinions. And just like everybody else, I've got one. So anyway, this has been Chance Glenn for a brief thought. Talk to you soon.